camera, man. He's diving underwater. Good boy. He can't see. Oh, poor guy. I think we might need to cut your hair, Bear.
What are you doing, Kuma?
He's like, Mom, I don't like my haircut.
Bear, go get a ball. Go get a ball. Go on.
She might run up to that little girl. Bear, where's your ball? Right here, come on. Bring it here. Come on.